Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this beginner friendly drawing tutorial. Today I will guide you step by step on how to draw a beautiful girl with butterflies. Grab your pencils and let's get started. First of all, drawing the head. We will begin by lightly sketching an oval shape for the head. This will serve as the base for the girl's face. Now draw a vertical line down the center and a horizontal line across the middle for facial guidelines. These lines will help us place the eyes, nose and mouth properly. Then sketch the neck and shoulder. From the bottom of the head, we will draw two lines downward for the neck and lightly sketch the shoulders with slightly curved lines. Keep these lines soft and fluid. Then draw the eyes, nose and mouth. Let's now add more details to the face using the horizontal guideline. Draw the eyes. The eyes should be almond shaped. For the nose, draw a small curved line just below the eyes, and for the mouth, sketch a slight curve below the nose. Then draw the hairs and add butterflies. Once the basic structure of the girl is ready, let's draw some butterflies. Sketch the wings of the butterflies near the head or shoulder, keeping them delicate and light. Make sure the wings are symmetrical and gracefully shaped. Then shading and detailing. Now add Now add the final touches. Lastly, erase any unnecessary lines and add any final details. And that's it. You have just created a beautiful pencil sketch of a girl with butterflies. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy drawing lessons. So see you next time. Thank you.